Hi, everyone. This is Tim. His name is Tim. Tim is outside. It is sunny. Tim feels hot. He is thirsty. Tim wants to drink something. He sees a store. Tim goes into the store. Tim sees a can of Coca-Cola. Tim wants to buy the Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola costs $1, but Tim does not have $1, so Tim cannot buy the Coca-Cola. Tim is sad. Tim leaves the store. Then he looks down. He sees a coin. He picks up the coin. Now Tim is happy. He has $1. Now he can buy the Coca-Cola. Tim goes back into the store. Tim buys the Coca-Cola. Tim leaves the store with the Coca-Cola. Tim drinks the Coca-Cola. Now Tim is not thirsty anymore. The end. Now I will tell you this story again. This time I will ask you many questions. I will ask you many yes or no questions, and you can answer yes or no, or you can just listen. This is Tim. His name is Tim. Is his name Bob? No, his name is not Bob. Is his name Tim? Yes, his name is Tim. Tim is outside. Is he inside? No, he is not inside. Is he outside? Yes, Tim is outside. It is sunny. Is it cloudy? No, it is not cloudy. Is it rainy? No, it is not rainy either. Is it sunny? Yes, it is sunny. Tim feels hot. Does Tim feel cold? Does Tim feel cold? No, Tim does not feel cold. Does Tim feel hot? Does Tim feel hot? Yes, Tim feels hot. Tim feels hot. Tim is thirsty. Is Tim hungry? No, Tim is not hungry. Is Tim thirsty? Yes, Tim is thirsty. Tim is thirsty. He wants to drink something. Does Tim want to read something? No, Tim does not want to read something. Does Tim want to eat something? No. Does Tim want to eat something? No, Tim does not want to eat something. Does Tim want to drink something? Yes, Tim wants to drink something. Tim sees a store. Does Tim see a house? No, Tim does not see a house. Does Tim see a store? Yes, Tim sees a store. Tim goes into the store. Does Tim come out of the store? No, Tim does not come out of the store. Does Tim go into the store? Yes, Tim goes into the store. Tim sees a can of Coca-Cola. Does Tim see a can of Pepsi? No, Tim does not see a can of Pepsi. Does Tim see a bottle of Coca-Cola? No, Tim does not see a bottle of Coca-Cola. Does he see a can of Coca-Cola? Yes, Tim sees a can of Coca-Cola. He wants to buy the Coca-Cola. Does Tim want to buy a can of Pepsi? No, Tim does not want to buy a can of Pepsi. Does Tim want to buy a can of Coca-Cola? Yes, Tim wants to buy the can of Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola costs $1. Does the Coca-Cola cost $3? No, the Coca-Cola does not cost $3. Does the Coca-Cola cost $2? No, the Coca-Cola does not cost $2 either. Does the Coca-Cola cost $1? Yes, the Coca-Cola costs $1. It costs $1. But Tim does not have a dollar. Does Tim have a dollar? No, Tim does not have a dollar. So Tim cannot buy the Coca-Cola. Can Tim buy the Coca-Cola? No, Tim cannot buy the Coca-Cola. Tim cannot buy the Coca-Cola. Tim is sad. Is Tim happy? Is Tim happy? No, Tim is not happy. Tim is not happy. Is Tim sad? Yes, Tim is sad. Tim leaves the store. Does Tim stay in the store? No, Tim does not stay in the store. Does Tim leave the store? Yes, Tim leaves the store. Then Tim looks down. Does Tim look up? Does Tim look up? No, Tim does not look up. Does Tim look down? Does Tim look down? Yes, Tim looks down. He sees a coin. Does Tim see a bottle of Coca-Cola? No, Tim does not see a bottle of Coca-Cola. Does Tim see a can of Pepsi? No, Tim does not see a can of Pepsi either. Does Tim see a coin? Yes, Tim sees a coin. Tim picks up the coin. Does Tim put down the coin? No, Tim does not put down the coin. Does Tim pick up the coin? Yes, Tim picks up the coin. Now, Tim is happy. Is Tim still sad? No, Tim is not sad anymore. Is Tim happy now? Yes, now Tim is happy. He has $1. Does Tim have $1? Yes, he has $1. He has $1. Now he can buy the Coca-Cola. Can Tim buy something to drink now? Yes, Tim can buy something to drink now. Can Tim buy the Coca-Cola now? Yes, Tim can buy the Coca-Cola now. Tim goes back into the store. Does Tim go back into the store? Yes, Tim goes back into the store. Tim buys the Coca-Cola. Does Tim buy the can of Coca-Cola? Yes, Tim buys the can of Coca-Cola. Tim leaves the store with the Coca-Cola. Does Tim stay in the store? No, Tim does not stay in the store. Does Tim leave the store? Yes, Tim leaves the store. Does Tim leave the store without the Coca-Cola? No, Tim does not leave the store without the Coca-Cola. Does Tim leave the store with the Coca-Cola? Yes, Tim leaves the store with the Coca-Cola. Tim drinks the Coca-Cola. Does Tim eat the Coca-Cola? No, Tim does not eat the Coca-Cola. Does Tim drink the Coca-Cola? Yes, Tim drinks the Coca-Cola. He drinks the Coca-Cola. Now, Tim is not thirsty anymore. Is Tim still thirsty? No, Tim is not thirsty. He is not thirsty anymore.
Watch, listen, understand, learn. Watch and listen to understand and learn English. Comprehensible English.